Hello everyone, hello my beautiful people. How are you people doing? My lovely people. Today topic by Mercy Johnson. My people, I just wanna remember say that time when Mercy Johnson know this is husband Okoji. When I remember say he get woman that time, we get 2 children for her, we dey Canada. We 2 of them suffer together, we they did that time. When I remember say this topic, they first bring at that time when a long time ago where the woman say na a husband who they marry for court, all those things, So I just say that matter, it don't even pass. I can't dey shock now when I see say the woman now don't cry out, say he don't cry out again now, say he need the husband or say the husband need to take care of his 2 children too. Not be only Mercy Johnson. Now I say hey, say when Mercy Johnson can't leave Okoji for her, my people. That one not go dey possible again now. That one not go dey possible. When I see her, I shocked her lies. I say see our sister, lovely. I don't know what they call you. That one not go work out again. To Mercy Johnson, it don't belong to Mercy Johnson. It don't belong to her. Don't be now you come cry out again. Say you need them back. Lie. That one not go possible. That for me. That one go hard because it don't take, like seriously, you don't know how many children will Mercy Johnson don't for her now? 4. Then you can just leave them for you just like that. Are you kidding me? That one not go dey possible again. You fit talk say make him dey take care of the children. That one are normal. But say make he can't leave Mercy Johnson for you. That one you go retake am again, no. That one not go possible. Not go work. That one not go work at all, you understand? So only way you just do, my darling sister, I beg. You just so free. You fine, you tall, you dey okay. I know say na because Mercy Johnson na celebrity na make if you collect am from collect Okoji from you that time, you understand? But now we be say the thing don't take, you not go work out, I beg. Just so you just move on, you understand? Just move on with your life. Forget say 12 on a fair date before. You understand? Because you're not gonna work out. You already did with Mercy Johnson. Mercy Johnson, if you pay me because of your Okoji, if you pay me because the love what Mercy Johnson get for her, I bet even Mercy Johnson even they tell her say he wants to get another belly again. If he never ever born finish. So you see the Mercy Johnson they allow the children. You call your Mercy Johnson say me you can't leave Okoji for you, my dear. That one not go work, my darling sister. I know say now you first of all follow all those things, but it go hard though. It go hard for Mercy Johnson to come just leave your husband for you. That one not go work. It not go work, I beg. So maybe you just suffer, carry your tire, go one corner. Okoji will come to take care of the 2 children. So that one are for you. The other one again for Regina Mama. Regina Mama say he don't see man now, he don't engage. Man don't engage him now. He want marry again. So people come they say, see the man where you want marry, say as if he young, he dey okay. Your pikin can go marry old man, will be 60-something years, They come they say make they leave her alone. When they leave a pikin alone, they do they narrate a pikin. Not be she start to they marry old man. Not be she start to they marry man we sit down and well. Make they leave her. Now what she like? Now he love. Now he say now waiting he want. So make they know they like they disturb this daughter again. The woman don't cry out, say I beg. Mona leave her alone. Mona leave his daughter and she alone. Because the thing is getting too much, So now she don't engage. So she will soon marry now. Mama Regina. He will soon marry now. He don't engage now, because he need man. The woman saying young now. The woman saying young be say maybe because want to say what do they call him? Regina come quick go marry. A woman, a young woman, a fine, beautiful woman. So she still need man for a life, you understand? So now I can't say I can't do this video. talk so now. So Mama Regina say, I beg, Mona leave the pikin alone, Mona leave them. A pikin dey happy with your husband. So you know what, maybe say una go dey narrate am again because he suffer follow them. Na only she take care of the children. See why be say the man that time when they never met the man that time because na she and dey under everything, you understand. So say Mona leave the pikin alone, you know. So that one na for that, you know. Well, I see that one when I talk that time about Stella Damascus. The thing he shocked me like seriously because you know say sometimes we don't they say friends, my dear. Now God, now God now go feel bring a good friend to your life. Only God now go feel like bring a friend will be say you don't go regret her for your life, like seriously. Because see, if person tell me say Stella Damascus, the way that woman be, say go fit smash person husband, me not go believe her. He best friend though. He even collect her, no even pay me. He can't still, they can't still carry the woman pikin join her. He friend. And at this friend, he don't lose the test. Say, see wetin they pass through. See, you know when you dey close to friend now, everything about you want tell her. But if person tell me say that woman go fit do this kind of thing, I no go ever believe. You know, I no go ever believe say this woman go fit do this kind of thing. I shocked her eyes like seriously. Say, things they happen. If not be this social media where we dey, so many things where they happen. Like even I go just see and sometimes I'll say, things they really happen. You know, things they really happen. One thing we may not dey understand be say why they like to dey carry somebody else man. Now so that one will go back for shitty. Now so that one still do at that time. That one they see that man with his wife. And not say the wife they art film. So they forget that woman name. She the art film to that fair lady we married that chick the way they will be producer. Hey, now so this girl they go shook head put. It go shook head put for the inside. Man, woman we born 3 boys for that. The woman can't leave the man because of this girl. Hey, now she don't marry this girl now. For her mind now she they happy now, everything they okay. But he forget say, oh but na ya gbe ya wabi ya gbe ya le. A stick where they take beat the first one and then also they beat the second one. She no know, but they cash am now. My people, I beg God, we will just they wise, really. Thank you everybody, bro. I know I made this video too long. Thank you and share this video for me. Please share the video. Thank you and bye for now. Bye, my darling people. Please, anything you think about the video, you can leave your comments for the comment section. Thank you and bye. Please don't insult me for the comments. No insults, my darling people. Thank you. Bye. And always put us up for me anytime you watch my video. Please. Thumbs up is very important. Bye, everybody. Bye. And if you have not subscribed, please go and subscribe so that you go to hear many ogbonge news when they come out for you. Thank you. Bye.